Welcome to our channel NS Hello India. Today I'm gonna tell you some important thoughts. Though we can make our life happy and joyful. If we follow all these rules, we will calm, happy and very positive. Let's start. The wonders of attitude. The good news is that bad news can be turned into good news if you change your attitude. Ability is poor man's wealth. The winds and waves are always on the side of the ablest navigators. A wise man is one who can live in peace with things he cannot change. Look at your achievements by the force made and not by the result achieved. Think before acting, but when the time of action arrives, stop thinking. Be firm, not rigid. Real achievement is rising again after a fall. When a thing is done, it is done. Don't look back. Look forward to your next objective. Do what you can with what you have, where you are. Look at the tree. It bends with the winds but does not fall. Write down the advice of him who loves you, though you like it not at present. There is no success without hardship. Don't offer advice which you can't practice. What's important is not the years in your life, but the life is yours. Years. Ambition is like food, too little or too much. Both are harmful. Anyone who angers you conquers you. If you are angry, count up to 10. If you are very angry, count up to 100. Appear like a winner even if you lose. The first judgment is from appearance. Never fight with a man who has nothing to lose. Discussion is an exchange of knowledge, but argument is an exchange of ignorance. It is better to be alone than in the company of bad. Tell me who are your associators, and I will tell you who you are. Attachment comes only when we expect a return. One person says night has fallen, whereas another says morning is yet to come. Right attitude is half success. To a willing mind, nothing is impossible. No beauty is like the beauty of the mind. No one knows about your integrity, your sincerity, your talent, or your goodness unless you give out samples in your action. Curse not darkness, light a lamp. One of these days is none of these days. is the Today is the day to start the big job. Okay guys, from these important and very good thoughts, I want to tell you that if we will follow all these thoughts in our daily life, in our routine, in our behavior, we will always feel calm and positive and always be happy. If you like this channel or video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.